started with projects in DDScad 17 is even easier for you now. The newly designed start page now features a large project overview, and projects can be displayed in either list form or as thumbnails, giving you a great overview and allowing you to find projects even faster. The link under the project name takes you directly to the project directory. The intelligent search function has been revised and considerably improved. Among other things, it now also includes complex folder structures in the search and achieves more precise results quicker. In DDScad 17 you can create templates yourself and use these for your projects. This way you can create a uniform basis for all your planning, for example with title field, layers, print layouts, and your own pens and presets for the new label function. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified of new videos.